Miss Edwards.
And Mr. Brinkman.
We are filming right now from the MP3 gym.
Right here on this stage, you may recognize it if you have Mr. Zerpa. It's his live classroom. But it's also a place where 8th graders promote and walk across at the end of the school year.
We cannot wait to have you guys back on campus and see this little stage area ourselves. Today we're going to talk about Habit 4, Think Win Win.
Think Win Win is something that I use at home often. An example of Think Win Win in my family is I wanted to watch Monday Night Football while my wife wants to watch the Laker game. There's only one TV. So how do we make this scenario work for everyone?
Oh my gosh, I have a scenario at home too. Sometimes that happens to me, the same one, except other times too, there are certain nights of the week where we all want something different for dinner. Where I want to get a pizza, my husband wants to barbecue, my kid wants to go get In-N-Out, and we cannot figure out what exactly it is we're going to eat for dinner.
Some things about Think Win Win is making sure that everyone is happy and everyone feels included in the decision-making process. So for us, I would say I'll watch Monday Night Football for a couple minutes while my wife gets to finish the Laker game because that's farther along in the process. And then we can always go back to Monday Night Football after, so I feel like I've won and got to watch my show while she feels like she gets to watch her game too.
That totally makes sense. In my house, what we'll do is we've all agreed upon a method for us to decide who gets to decide what's for dinner, and we will do rock, paper, scissors. And that person gets to decide what we're eating for dinner that night, and then we make sure the next 2 nights, the other people still get the meal that they want. So you can't win 3 days in a row, but you might get to be the first person to choose. But what that means is that all of us get to eat, inevitably, what we want for dinner.
So pirates, think of a scenario at home where you need to think win-win with your siblings, with your parents.
Maybe friendships with teachers, because it's really important and will help you.
Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.
Bye, pirates!